I'm back. My name is Taylor Grant. I'm with Bellator Claims Resolution. I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Ann of Louisville, Colorado. Our commercial roof leaked after several severe hailstorms. Adjuster came with drones, examined the roof, said no visible damage. Well, of course they're gonna say that. They just looked at it with a drone. They can't see crap. He said, this is about an $1,800 worth of damage claim and your deductible is $500. I'll put a claim in for you, but they may dump you. So after 18 years of spending about $2,400 a month, this was their idea of helping us when we had real damage. All I have to say is bye-bye, insurance company. This is the deal. If you've had legitimate damage and a covered cause of loss, such as hail or wind, and your property is damaged and the insurance company doesn't want to pay, you have to contact us sooner than later. Because the sooner you do, the more options you have. The longer you wait, the harder it is to get your claim paid. Trust me, we know this from years of experience. Contact us today if you have a commercial property insurance claim, an industrial property insurance claim, a municipality insurance claim, or a school district property insurance claim. Contact us, BellatorClaims.com.